everyone. If you need an easy way to split and merge PDF documents, Kami is my go-to. Very simple, free to use the split merge feature, and you can use a Chrome extension or the website. So if you don't have a Kami account already, you can create a free account. If you want to sign in, you can sign in with Google, and it takes you to this page. Same thing if you use the Chrome extension. If you don't want to go to the website, you can click on the Chrome extension, and it takes you to the same page. Whether I sign in from the website or the extension, I'm in the same location. So normally if I'm using Kami for annotation and marking up a PDF document, I usually go right to opening from my Google Drive or from my computer, whatever document I need. But because I want to split or merge my documents, I want to use the split merge feature. So clicking on that, it takes me to this page. And I have the option to click right on the add files, and it pulls up my file finder, or I can click on my Google Drive icon here, and after I've connected my Google Drive account, I can search PDFs, and then I can pop them right into there, right from Google Drive. The last feature is being able to just drag and drop. I can select these 3 documents and just drag them right over, and you see them populate right here, and then I click next. They fall right into a line, all 3 documents, but I can see which document is which because the title stays under each one, and then it gives me the page number. So there's 5 pages to the Ethiopia article, I have 4 to the Lost Colony, and I have 7 to the Langston Hughes. And so now that I have it here, I have the option to split apart these PDFs or mesh them together, organize them however I want. So what I can do is I can just click on what I want and drag it down here. I can click the next thing from the Lost Colony, then I can click a page from Langston Hughes. And so now I've actually taken a page from each one of the documents that I uploaded, and now I have an export option. And as you can see, if I scroll down, I have another place that I can even drag more to. And what I can do is I can export all 3 documents. So maybe I want this one separate, I need this as a PDF, and if I made another one, I can export that. But because I really just wanted this document, all I have to do is click export. One other option you have, if you forgot to add a PDF while in here, you don't have to go back and start over. You can click this plus sign right here and add a file while you're in here. If I just go ahead and export, it'll ask me where do I want to do this at? Do I want to open it in Kami so that I can immediately mark it up? Do I want to save it to my drive, or do I want to download my files? So for just now, I'm going to go ahead and just download it to my laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and download that file. And now I have all 3 pages from those 3 different documents compiled into one, very simply. And then I can upload this anywhere I want, save it, or print it, whatever I need to do. I hope you find Kami an easy tool to use to split merge PDFs.